Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Hope you guys enjoy the content and don't forget to subscribe. It's free guys, so just subscribe, help a sister out. If you're enjoying watching my content, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you want to see, tell me what you like about the video, tell me what you don't like about the video. Today I'll just be showing you guys how I apply my false eyelashes. I will be showing you how I do them both with my fingers or with applicators or tweezers, and I will show you guys how I applied these lashes. So I start off by using a mascara of my choice. Today I'm going to be using my favorite. This is one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Essence Volume Lash Mascara. I think it's like Sculpted Volume or something. This is a drugstore mascara, but it's really good. It's one of my favorites. Like, it does amazing things to my lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with that, and then we'll go down to the lashes. So this is an optional step. There's some people who don't like to apply mascara before they put on their eyelashes, but I find it easier to apply my lashes when I put mascara first, and I also find that it blends much easier when I put mascara first and then the eyelashes. Some people put the mascara after putting the eyelashes on, but it's just like taste and preference, So it helps if you have a mirror. I have like a mirror that like moves around, and I just use it to, I make sure it like faces downwards so that I can see where I'm putting my mascara. So whilst I'm looking down, that's what I'm looking at. So now for the lashes, you're gonna need some lash glue. I'm using the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive. This is in white, but it dries clear. This is one of my favorite lash glues because it's very strong. I've never had my lashes fall off when I use this lash glue. So on one side I'm gonna use my little lash, I don't know what to call this, lash contraption, or my lash or my tweezers, and then on the other side I'm gonna use my fingers so that you can see which one works best for you, or if you don't have tweezers or like lash holders or whatever you can call them, you can just use your fingers. So I'll just show you both ways that I put on my lashes. So today I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Samantha lashes, one of my new favorites. So I'll put one side using my fingers and one side using the applicator or the tweezers, and let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is, if you're using your fingers, just hold your lash preferably in the middle like that, and then take your glue and put a very thin line. Yeah, just don't put like a really thick line. And then at the ends I usually put like a little bit extra so that it sticks properly. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that dry a little bit for like 30 seconds while I'm putting on the other side. So for the other side, I take my tweezers, or you can take your lash applicator, put it in between like so. Don't know if you can, hope you guys can see that properly. And then take your lash glue and do the exact same thing. It's just that you're not holding it with your fingers. Put a really thin line or a thin strip, and then a little bit extra at the ends because we don't want the lashes to lift. Nah, you don't want no flying lashes. Then just let that dry a little bit for 30 seconds as well. Again, So I get my lashes, hold them right in the middle, and place them as close to the lash line as possible, like so. Then I take my tweezers and basically just drag them to where exactly I want them to be. So when you're looking downwards, it's so much easier to see how far you are to the lash line. And then a pro tip, I'm just kidding. One of my favorite tips to do to keep them put is to just, well, do this when you have time, you know, is to squeeze your natural lash with the actual, what's it called? It's already stuck. With the eyelashes like this, like so. Doop, doop, doop. And that gets them super close to the lash line like this. So that those white little bits are gonna dry off and they'll be non-existent. Now to go with the fingers. Do exactly this, well, not exactly, pretty much the same thing, but I end up holding, if I don't have my tweezers with me or anything, I end up holding the lash on each end and then placing it, starting in the middle, and then using each end of my fingers to place it on the sides. So I find it a bit more difficult to use fingers, but if you want to wear your lashes and you don't have tweezers, this is what you gotta do. I think I put a bit too much at the end, but it dries off clear. And then I still do the same thing of pressing my natural lash with the fake lash together so that there's no like big space or anything, as close to the lash line as possible, like that. While we're waiting for the little white parts to dry, take my mascara. I didn't even put eyeshadow today because I was just showing you guys how I put on my lashes. Take my mascara and put it on my bottom lashes. This is another optional step, but I basically just rub and push it down. And do it on both sides. Got mascara on my eyelid. No, that's the lash. Like so. Bottom lashes are actually quite long, so I try not to put too much because I end up looking like a spider. See how you can't see where the bottom of the lash is? That is what you want. They are stuck and they ain't going nowhere, okay? Look at that. How amazing. How freaking amazing. Can you see how that blends in with the mascara? This is what we wanted. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're seeing this, it means you've reached the end of the video. You have learned, hopefully, how to apply your lashes, your false eyelashes. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to share it with somebody who you think is gonna help as well. Click that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and all that good stuff. Click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I'm doing a lot of makeup looks through this quarantine period. Through this quarantine period, so yeah. I don't know what else to say, so I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time.